Dreaming of making money on YouTube? It's a common aspiration, and the good news is, it's more achievable than you might think. With the right approach and a bit of dedication, you can turn your YouTube channel into a profitable venture. First, let's talk about the importance of choosing a niche. Pick something you're passionate about. Your enthusiasm will shine through and attract viewers. Whether it's gaming, cooking, tech reviews, or any other interest, make sure it's something you love. Think about what your audience wants to see. Research popular topics within your niche and put your unique spin on them. Tutorials, vlogs, challenges. Mix it up to keep your content fresh and engaging. Consistency is key. Upload regularly. Your audience will come back for more if they know when to expect new videos. Create a schedule and stick to it. Engage with your audience, reply to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community around your channel. Enable monetization by joining the YouTube Partner Program once you meet the requirements. This allows you to earn money from ads. Explore other income streams like sponsorships, merchandise, and affiliate marketing. These can significantly boost your earnings. Remember, every successful YouTuber started somewhere. Keep creating, keep improving, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Happy creating, future YouTube star. With these tips, you're well on your way to making money on YouTube. Good luck. Welcome back, future YouTube stars. Now that we've covered the basics, it's time to dive into some advanced strategies for YouTube monetization. These techniques can take your channel from good to great and maximize your earning potential. First, let's discuss the power of brand partnerships. Collaborating with brands can be a lucrative way to monetize your channel. Brands are always looking for influencers who align with their values and can promote their products authentically. Reach out to companies within your niche and propose partnership ideas. Show them how you can add value to their brand. Next, consider creating and selling your own digital products. Ebooks, online courses, and exclusive content can provide additional income streams. Another advanced strategy is to leverage crowdfunding platforms like Patreon. This allows your most dedicated fans to support your channel financially in exchange for exclusive perks. This not only brings in revenue, but also strengthens your community. Don't overlook the potential of live streaming. Platforms like YouTube, Live, and Twitch offer monetization options through super chats, memberships, and donations. Live streaming can also increase viewer engagement and create a more personal connection with your audience. Affiliate marketing is another powerful tool. By promoting products and services relevant to your niche, you can earn a commission on sales generated through your affiliate links. Choose products you genuinely believe in to maintain trust with your audience. Now let's talk about diversifying your content distribution. Expand your reach by repurposing your YouTube content for other platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or even a podcast. This can attract new viewers and drive traffic back to your YouTube channel. Lastly, invest in advertising. Running targeted ads can help grow your audience faster and increase your monetization opportunity. Platforms like Google Ads allow you to reach potential viewers who are likely to be interested in your content. Remember, success on YouTube doesn't come overnight. These advanced strategies require time, effort, and experimentation. But with persistence and creativity, you can turn your YouTube channel into a thriving business. Stay tuned for more tips and keep pushing the boundaries of your creativity. The journey to becoming a successful YouTuber is filled with learning and growth. Happy creating, and may your channel reach new heights. Welcome back, creators. Now it's time to maximize your YouTube revenue streams. First, let's talk about optimizing your AdSense revenue. Make sure your videos are advertiser-friendly by avoiding controversial topics and adhering to YouTube's guidelines. Additionally, longer videos can host more ads, so consider extending your content while maintaining quality. Utilize YouTube's channel memberships feature. Offer exclusive badges, emojis, and perks to your loyal subscribers in exchange for a monthly fee. Customize these perks to give your members a sense of belonging and appreciation. Your hard work and dedication will pay off, leading to greater financial success and a thriving YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more insights and happy creating.